In the intense Mediterranean sun, a heat wave fed by strong winds has turned the forest into a furnace. As people call for their pets, others flee from this usually peaceful holiday resort. For 5 days now, the skies in Muğla have been filled with flames. The local mayor tries to reassure residents, but as the blaze spreads, this woman feels like it will never end. It's obviously burning, she says. There's no plane, there's no helicopter, there's no roads. How is this going to be extinguished? A question being asked in Italy too, as flames destroy the coastline in Pescara. Emergency teams try to control the blaze. And in Greece, hundreds have been evacuated as fires spread through roads. In Antalya, though, the fires are now under control. Little consolation for the families who've lost their homes and their crops. I've seen many things in my life, this man says, but never a natural disaster like this one. The flames are out here, but there is little relief for these families who now face having to rebuild their lives. Sangi Salal, ITV News.